Hey everyone, welcome to this Kartra tutorial for beginners, your step-by-step guide to getting started with one of the most powerful all-in-one marketing platforms out there. If you've ever felt overwhelmed using different tools to build a website, collect leads, run email campaigns, sell your products, or manage your customers, then Kartra might just be the solution you've been looking for. It brings all those essential features together under one roof. No coding, no plugins, no stress. Whether you're a coach, a course creator, a freelancer, or you run a small business, in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through how to get up and running with Kartra. Also, if you want to follow along with me, you can check out the link down below in the description and sign up for a free 14-day trial for Kartra. So to begin, we're just going to click on Get Started. Once you log into your Kartra account, you land on your main dashboard. This is your central control panel. Everything you need to run and automate your online business is here on the left-hand menu. So the first thing we're going to do is build a landing page. And to do that, we're going to go to Pages, click on All Pages. All right, so to create a page, you're going to click on this. Next, you're going to have to give your page a name. Then next, you're going to have to choose a template. So just find one that best suits your business. And here we've got some nice filters. You've got industry, goal, page type, color. So let's choose an industry. Let's go with digital marketing, of course. Yeah, so I'm going to go with sell a course for this one. Then now page type. All right, so we're going to go with landing pages for this one. Colors, do you have any specific colors in mind? You can choose here. Let's go with blue. Great. All right, so let's go with this one. Next, you're going to click on create. Great. Since Kartra already has templates, which are pre-designed, you can easily just customize it and make it to your needs. So you can change the text. You can even change the images. Just click on the image, select the image, then select edit. So you can just click on edit. And this allows you to select the image you want. And then once you're done, you can upload it. Just on the left, you can see some sections. So first you've got site. So this is where you manage all your pages. You can add new sections, navigate between blocks, and structure your entire site. So right here, you've got your opt-in form. So this is where your visitors can sign up for something, maybe a freebie, a newsletter, or even your course updates. It's one of the most important parts of any landing page because it helps you grow your email list and build a connection with your audience. So right now, no form has been added. We're going to have to add one. So if you click on edit style, you can see that no form has been added. So once a form is created, it's going to appear here. Now, if you want to edit the columns inside each section, you can just toggle this on. Great. So this just gives you more control over the landing page. So you can just work with the columns, make the necessary adjustments, and you've got your landing page customized. You can also see the different views. There's a desktop view, tablet view, and the mobile view. And as you edit your landing page, you can come here, preview it, save the progress, save it as a template, or publish it. So always ensure that you save the progress you've made. Okay, so to create a form, you're going to have to go to contacts, then click on forms. Yeah, so this is where you can create and design an opt-in form to capture your leads. So you've got some steps here: choose the fields, customize the style, and confirm subscription. So let's just follow these steps. Click on form. Here you've got a plethora of templates to choose from. So just choose the one that best suits your brand. And don't forget to give your form a name. All right, so for the different types of forms, you've got embedded, modal, sidebar, and bottom bar. So for embedded, this is the most common one. It stays fixed on the page and visitors can see it right away. You can place it anywhere, like in the middle of your page or below some text. Then you've got modal. This one pops up as a box over the screen, usually after a few seconds or when someone clicks a button. Then you've got sidebar. So just like the name suggests, this form slides in from the side, either left or right. It's sleek and doesn't interrupt your visitor's experience too much. Next, you've got bottom bar. This appears as a slim bar at the bottom of the page. It's subtle but still visible and works great if you want something low-key but effective. You can choose whichever one fits your design and strategy best. All right, so we're just going to go with the embedded kind of form, right? So you just have to choose one here now. Let's go with this. Okay, let's create. Here you've got some tools. First, you've got design. This section lets you design and configure your form. This is where you customize the look and feel of your form. The next, you've got settings. Here You can fine-tune how your form behaves behind the scenes. Single opt-in means once they fill the form, they're subscribed right away. But for double opt-in, this adds a step. They get a confirmation email. They must click to confirm. This helps with email list quality. Yeah, so you can choose either of them. So if you're just starting out, you may choose the single opt-in. You can just change this to single opt-in, save. So once you select single opt-in, there'll be no need for a confirmation email. So it all depends on what you want, but I recommend starting with a single opt-in. Then next you've got automations. So this is where your form starts working for you automatically. So tags help you organize your contacts. They're like labels you assign based on how someone signed up. For this form, you might add freebie download. So you can easily just create a tag here. So tags just make it easier to segment your audience for targeted messages. Then next you've got sequences. You can even add a sequence. So here you can connect your form to an email sequence, a series of automated emails. For example, if you've got a 3-day welcome sequence, you can say welcome, then day 2 will have here's how to make the most of your subscription, then day 3 could be here's our top picks for just you. So it just includes like a couple of steps. Yeah, so you could have like a 3-day welcome sequence or even more, and this just automatically happens. You can also trigger other actions like add the subscriber to a CRM, notify your team, start a workflow. So these are the things you can do with your automations to just help to streamline your workflow. And don't forget, if you want to follow along with me, you can check out the link down below in the description and sign up for a free 14-day trial for Kartra. So this is your form builder. Just by the left-hand menu, you can see some sections. So here you've got design. So this is where you can change the overall look and feel of your form. You can change it if you want to. There's even an option to select different templates if you want to change this one. Right here, you can see fields. If you'd like to get more information from your subscriber, you can add a new field here. Here you can get different views. There's desktop view, the tablet view, and even the mobile view. Just by the side you see actions. So this is where you can preview before you save it. This is where you save your progress. So any changes you've made have to be saved. So ensure that you always save your progress. So once you're done, you can just click on save and exit. Alright, so this looks nice. So let's just save it. Save and exit. So another thing you could set up is an email automation. So email automation lets you send pre-scheduled emails to your subscribers. So to go to emails, you can just come to marketing, then click on emails and SMS. And if you want to create one, just click here. So it lets you send pre-scheduled emails to your subscribers based on their actions. This could be a welcome email after signing up, follow-ups, or promotional sequences. It saves you time and keeps your audience engaged. And click on email, then follow the steps to get this automation. Then of course, just like the others, you've got templates you could choose from. You can even create a broadcast. So if you'd like to set up the automations, you have to come to automations here. Then you've also got sequences over here. Then when it comes to your products, you can come to sales, click on products, then carry on. So here are different products you could create. It could be a Kartra membership, integrated membership, a downloadable file, others. So it all depends on what you want. And there's main product, there's upsell or downsell. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this useful. And don't forget, if you'd like to follow along with me, just click the link in the description down below and you can get your 14-day free trial.